Okay, me and my daughter did an experiment. We have potatoes in a box in there. Yeah, and that didn't work out so good because something was eating them. So we put them in here. And I just came out just for the heck of it, just to see what we got. We got little potatoes. We pulled them kind of quick, a little fast, but because I started to see some. I'm not pulling these too quick.
That was one.
It was?
Yeah.
Oh, really? On here?
Yeah. Oh, no, I'll get it. Hold on.
I didn't see it. Put them in my hole. Oh, it sure was. It is.
Yeah.
And there's one on that one, too.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
A little tiny one, too. Oh, that's empty.
Not bad, not bad. Irish potatoes.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see. I hope there's more.
Better than no potatoes.
Yeah, do we have a, I'm just going to pour it out.
Yeah.
Over there, just in case. Oh, wait, hold up. Oh, I'm going to need a shovel. Okay. Well, a couple of little ones in here. The biggest one we found so far. Little teeny ones. Little Irish potatoes. They seem like they grow better in here than they did in the box, babe. Look at that.
Yeah, you got stuff eats them in the box.
Look, it's shaped like a heart. Oh, that's pretty. It's shaped like a heart. That's cool. There's potato. I gotta pour this out. It seems like they go out to the bottom. I'll pour it here and then we'll just sweep the porch later like we always do. Oh, wow.
Dang, there's a ton. There's a big one. It looks big on the phone.
This one?
By that pole. Up here.
Right here?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Whoa, look at the roots.
Ooh, look at all the bugs down in there. That's probably what makes them grow. Makes the dirt good.
That's good dirt, too. Keep that dirt.
Yeah, it is. I ain't put my hands on it. But.
So they don't need that deep of soil, I guess.
Yeah. Well, we got a little something off of it. Because I had only buried like a few potatoes, a couple potatoes, wasn't a lot.
Pretty cool.
Oh, isn't that cute? We got, look at the little teeny ones over here. Can you get them? Can you stretch over here?
I can't see them.
The flower, right behind the flower.
Yeah, the camera won't get it.
Oh, really?
Oh, I think, wait, hold on, I can zoom.
Yep, pinch. Okay, so, ready?
Yep.
So the pot works. We drilled holes in the bottom. We didn't do the bottom, huh? We just drilled holes on the sides to let the water out. Okay, and because if you drill on the bottom, sometimes you lose too much water. So it goes to show that works. We really should have left them in a little bit longer. If we'd have left them in a little bit longer, that's a meal. That's at least 1 meal or whatever. And put it this way, that's a pint. It's a pint of potatoes, or maybe a quart.
I wonder if your timing was good, though, because it seems to be an insect on there.
Yeah, I hope so, yeah. Do you think, I'm wondering if the insects were good for it, or no?
I think at this point it would have been dangerous.
They might have ate it up like the other one, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, well. And that is our experiment. And we have one more to do later on, over there, the green bag.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're not sure how the green bag's going to come out. But thanks for watching.